Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Coins and Stamps to Watch. Now what we have here is another unboxing of coins, and I think it's gonna be a bit longer because it's a lot of them, and these are interesting coins that I bought recently in auction. Actually, this is the second time I bought in that seller's auction, and the first one are really awesome. Uh, now they do 99 cent start of bidding, so so you get lucky, you get a cheap one, which is yeah, sometimes you get lucky. So we'll see what it is now. So it is properly wrapped and yeah, labeled. So, and the one who sold or who auctioned these coins are selling mostly luxury watches, luxury second-hand watches. Like I can see on their on their account that they sell a Rolex watch and those high-end ones. So yep, let's see what this one is. It is tape. So hang on, I'll remove it. So we'll see. The name of the seller is About Time. So and yeah, they do sell watches. See, it's properly wrapped. It's a lot of it. See, might not look a lot, but these are interesting ones, and I'll show you. I'll show you. See, like yep, okay, this one. These one are old coins from Indonesia. Actually, it's a Netherlands. I think Netherlands is in this Batab coin, and these are old ones. See, it's 1820 something, 1825. This one. These are old ones, old ones. See, uh, so that's 1745. See, and to put it on a 99 cent start auction, it's all of it. Just one, just this one lot. This one is 1899, 2.5 cent. Also from Indonesia, 1805. See, it's an old Indonesia from the Netherlands. Is in this time era. And see, wow, lovely. 1790, wow, old one. So yep, 1857. Oh, 2.5 cent. 2.5 cent, 1897. So this is a one auction, and I did ask them to just hold it, hold the winnings I have, because I'll bid on the other ones as well. So I wouldn't have to pay a lot for the shipping. So I just paid one shipping for all these individual auctions that I want. So yep, this one is 1844. Oh no, not 1844. It's 1744. 1744. Yeah, very old one. This one 1734. See. So this is a one auction, and it starts from 99 cent. And Netherlands Indies, yes, the 1826. See, these are all I think copper or bronze, some of them. So it is a one. This is just one auction. So I bought a few of them. I won few auctions. So this is just one auction. I don't want to separate it for now. I just want to put it together, one auction. So we'll have a look at the other one. So this is an old, oh, this is Russia. So this is another auction that I want from them. And it is an old coin, 1 kopeck from 1897. Very nice. Uh, Very nice one, eh? So this is a 5 kopeck from 1870, and we can see EM. I recognize that it's from Ekaterinburg Mint. This one, no, it's different. I have to do research on it. I can't. Yeah, I don't memorize all their mint where they minted. So this one is from 1900 and 1 kopeck. Nice one. So 1903, 1 kopeck. See, nice patina, nice, very lovely. This is another 5 kopeck from 1879, old one. And this is a 3 kopeck from 1869. Very nice. Nice. So I'm just gonna put it together. I don't wanna separate it. So I need to properly catalog it or have it checked. So now this one. This one is from, oh yep, we see silver coins here. This is from Canada, I believe. So this is another auction, and it starts from 99 cents. So yeah, they probably just want to get rid, or not get rid, but I mean, you know, to pass to some people their collections. So 1 cent Canada 1909, and we can see King Edward VII. And oops, this one is Queen Victoria. And this one is from 1864, and this coin is from Nova Scotia, Canada, 1864, 1 cent. Oh wow, it's an old one, very old one. Province of Nova Scotia. I think this King Halfpenny token, it's a token from 1824. And who's this? King William the Fourth? Yeah, don't, yeah, it's hard to, it's like sometimes they all look the same. So, King George the Fifth, and this is 1 cent from 1919. It's a lot, see? It's a lot more. Okay, King George the Fifth, and this is 1919 as well. Queen Victoria, 1 cent from 1864, old one. So this is another Victoria, Queen Victoria, Canada, 1 cent from 1881. Wow, nice varieties, nice old years. I mean dates. So this is King George the Fifth, and this is from 1934, 1 cent. See the different sizes, 1 cent from before and 1 cent now. It's another 1 cent, I guess, King George the Fifth from 1914. They all look nice. Another 1 cent, King George the Fifth, 1914. Probably this is a halfpenny, King George the Fifth. Oh, it's not 1 cent, but it's a different size too. So 1918. So you see the difference. It's a little bit smaller. So now this is a silver coin, King George the Fifth, and this is from 1911, 5 cent. This is a silver coin, definitely silver. And this one is also silver, King George the Sixth, 10 cent, 1941, silver. No, this one, I don't know if this one is silver, but yeah, it's 1952, 5 cent. King George the Fifth. I don't think it's silver though. Looks different. Now this is another silver coin. 10 cents, Canada, 1911, and yes, King George the Fifth. And last one. It's another King Edward the Seventh, Canada, 1 cent, 1907. Nice one, eh? Silvers and old coins. Just gonna put it together. Don't want to lose it or make it separate. So now this one. This one is I think this one is from Syria and Lebanon. Try to remember some of the things that I won that's in this lot, and it all started from, like I said, 1997. Nice one, eh? But this one I have to do research. It's a big one. I have to do research because yep, don't know what they are. Maybe it's it's something very rare. Who knows? But definitely it's very old, like from the 1800 or probably early 1900. See this one. Yep. See, old one, eh? Have to. Oh, this one looks like gold, but no, I don't think so. I think it's copper. I have to do research on this one or on all of this lot. Yep, Syria. I think it's Syria. This one. I think this one is silver, and so are these. So are these ones. Or Ottoman Empire, maybe. Oh, yep. I think it's Ottoman Empire from Turkey. From Ottoman Empire. I don't think it's, yeah, it's Syria. No, I don't think so. I think it's Ottoman Empire. I have to do research on this one because even on the list that they have on the auction, it doesn't say actually the years as well. So, but I know it's old coins, and as we can see, right. So this one, oh yep, this one is all silver, and these are all from Australia. See, all silvers. Queen Elizabeth in 1955. 1955. This is 1957, 6 pence. The other one was 3 pence. So yep, 1957. So this is another 1955, 3 pence. They all look on a very nice condition, eh? This is 1956, lovely condition. 1950. So this is King George the Sixth. Oh, lovely condition, and they're all silver. So they hold good value as well. I have a few more here. So I think I lost a few of the Batab coin or the old Indonesian coin. So this one's 1816. Very nice patina. And this one is 1791. Nice old one. Put it where it belongs. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to separate it. So I have to put it together. So now this one. All right, this one is I see rare ones in this lot, and you can see. So 1 penny, territory of New Guinea from 1936, which will be a rare one from King Edward VIII, the one who abdicated the throne in the United Kingdom. So this is a rare one, 1 penny. And this one, oh, this one is not 19. This one is King George. You can see the difference on the monogram. Where is it? This one. So this is King Edward the Eighth, and this is the monogram of King George the Sixth. So I'll just see these two birds. See this is another King Edward the Eighth, another rare one. A nice one, although it's not circulated. Well, this one, oh no, it is circulated. This one is not circulated. I think this is uncirculated, same as the other one, the one that we see before. So yep, it's King Edward, 1936, King Edward the Eighth. And then these three coins, I think they're silvers. So King George the Sixth, see 1935, it's a sixpence. And this is another sixpence, Territory of New Guinea in 1943 of King George VI. Very nice old one. And this one is another silver one, King George VI. See, very nice monogram, eh? And it's 1 shilling from 1938, silver coin. Oh, you see a blow here inside, see? See the inside of the hole. I think it's a plow or something. Oh, yeah, very good. So I'll do more research. See how it goes. We have a few more. So it's a bit longer. So now see this one. Oh, I don't think. Yeah, I think this is a freebie. Actually, I think this is a freebie. I don't recognize this one. I don't recognize this one from the auction. And it's a 1966 Australian 1 penny or 5 cent. This is a freebie, I think. And this one is a silver one, King George VI, 1942. These are freebie. The first one that I bought also have a freebie. It had I think a 1931 Australian penny, in which is I think it's a low mintage one, and yeah, very good. A low mintage one. It's I think 700,000 or 900,000 are only minted on that year, and it was just given as a freebie. I better send him a thank you message. So now this one is I think this is the Syrian one, and as far as I can see on the headings, Syria and Lebanon, I think, or Libya, I forgot, but yes, it's 10 million. I think this one is Syria. It's 10? Oh, 2 from 1917, old one, eh? 1917, 2 million. Yes, Lebanon. So this is Syria and Lebanon. 50 piastres. I just don't know if this one is silver though. Yep, but yep, 1916, 2 million. Syria. At the state of Syria. It means at the Syria. It's 1 piastre from 1936. This is 5 million from 1917. Another 1917, 2 million. This one, oh, don't know the date though. Oh, 1916, 2 million. Another 1917, 5 million. And 10 million, 1917. Nice one. And then another 2. Very nice. 1916. Wow, a lot of interesting coin that that I will probably uh, will take me a long time to to figure them out. And honestly, I haven't even sort out the other ones that I have. So so it is gonna take me a lot of time to to know them. But yeah, like old coins, I mean, it's like a part of history actually. Yeah. So it's it's a part of our daily life mostly. Buying foods, buying and to have these old coins, it just makes you wonder where they came from, or I mean, where they've been all these years. And now it's with me. All right. I hope you like the coins that I showed you, and please do like and subscribe my channel, and click the notification bell to have or to see the other ones that I'll be showing in the future. Thank you very much. I hope you'll have a good day.